You can also add in a video section easily in Wix ADI. To do that, I'm just going to press this plus button right over here. And then on the left side, you can see that there's video as an option. So you can choose from different video layouts right over here. So I'm just going to click on this one just like that. And then once the video section has been added over here, what happens is that I can work around with it. So you can see that there's a video. So I'm just going to click over here. You can work around with its title. As you can see, you can work around with a subtitle. You can add in a subtitle over here as well. And you can work around with the paragraphs and edit them out as well according to your needs. So over here, there's the video section. So I can just edit and replace this video out right over here. And then choose a video from my site list right over here just like that, and then apply right over here. So once you apply that out, the video will be replaced. As you can see, it's simple as that. And then you can work around with different design options as well. So you can go around here. So this is the video section. You can go on to design right over here just like that, and the video plays out over there as well. So you can go over here and choose the different video layout option that you want, just like that. So just like that, you got this video option and that video option according to your choice. And that is how you can work around with the video section inside of Wix ADI. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.